All right, hello, I'm Owen Edwards,
I'm Christian Graber.
and this is a project we did for a hackathon here in spring of 2025 at the University of Cincinnati. It's called ResumeAnswer. It's a resume parser that's AI powered, and I just want to go over some of the features that we put into here between me and Christian here. This was built using AWS, and one of the main services that I used was Elastic Beanstalk. Right here you can see I have Elastic Beanstalk running. It's running on an EC2 instance. And then the EC2 instance, I was SSHing into it. That way I could run HTTP through it. And I also used SSL certificates. That way I could turn it into HTTPS. And that allowed us to run our application on the back end as an HTTPS service, connecting with an HTTPS service on the front end. I also did the middleware, connecting it with cores. I also handled the security groups that allowed all the services to go between HTTP, HTTPS, SSHing into them. I handled IAM. And then I also wrote some endpoints. This was in Flask. And the server itself is running on Gunicorn and Nginx, and the website was built with React. All right, and now I'm passing it over to Christian here.
Hello. So my main work was involved mainly with the front end and kind of getting that to work with the back end, as well as writing some of the API endpoints for the back end and the interface with the Amazon Web Services. So the first thing you do on the website here would be to select your resume that you want to upload. It's pretty simple. You just click the button there, and once your resume, once you see it here, you'll get a preview of it, and you'll notice that there's an upload button. So you just simply click that, and of course it'll update and process the resume. And this will take about 30 seconds to a minute, depending on how many pages it is and all that. And so just talking a little bit more about this, we were kind of inspired by Amazon AI services to kind of make this product because we really wanted to learn more about them. So as you can see, once it loads, you get a little preview of your resume, and then you can also see feedback. So these are the individual scores on each of the sections, and as you can see, there's 4 sections here, and there is 4 of these here. And along with that, also there is a scoring based on the tokens pulled from the resume, and the AI essentially scores them based on their relevance and their importance to your overall job field. And then if you scroll down more, you can see kind of more detailed explanations on the different on your sections. What's good, what's not good, what can improve. So yeah, that's kind of the main features there in terms of the front end. And some of the technologies I used to make this mainly was the S3, which is the blob storage. So when the resume gets uploaded, it gets put into the blob storage. We're also using the TextRact, which essentially gets the text from the document, which is then able to be passed into both the Amazon Comprehend and the Amazon Bedrock. And the Amazon Comprehend, what it does is it gets those key value pairs, and it also does sentiment analysis to determine the overall sentiment of the pairs. And then we also have Amazon Bedrock, and what that's doing is that is kind of where the large language model comes in. So that's using mainly LLMs to kind of parse through the data and provide suggestions and feedback. And yeah, that is the main tech stack. We also use a thing called Amazon Macy, which just extracts the personal identifiable information out before it's submitted to the AI to increase user safety. And yeah, I think that's all we have. So thanks for listening in, and I hope you enjoyed learning about our project.
Yep, thank you.